The classes section of Optivote allows you to define students, attendees, or delegates if you're running a conference. To create a new class, there are a number of ways in which it can be done. First, click on your database name and then go to File, New, and select Class. This will give you a completely blank class which you're able to name. Name the class and click on the tick to save the class. You can now manually add students into the class. To do that, right-click and select Add New Student to Class. You then type in the student name, complete any of the other text areas if you wish to, including probably the most important one, the unique reference. This allows you to identify an individual in the database with a unique reference from another system. This could be a student number, firefighter number, or a delegate number. Once you've created your student record, click on Save. You'll now see the student record is saved in the background. Then just proceed to add the next name and save again. You can continue adding students till you've got everybody in the class that you require. The second way to create a class is to create what we call a default class. A class of this nature would be used generally for conferences or audiences where you're not too concerned about getting responses from individuals and more interested in getting the group response. To add a default class, right-click on your database name and select New Class with Students. You can now enter the number of students in your class. In this example, we'll type 24. Click on the tick to save the class. And when I select the class now, you can see we've got student numbers 1 through to 24. There is a facility within Optivote to import students directly from a spreadsheet. I'm just going to take a look at an Excel spreadsheet that's been saved in a CSV format. In the spreadsheet we can see that we have 3 columns. The first 2 are the most important, labelled first name and last name, and show the person's first name and last name in the columns. The pad ID column, which relates to the handset number, can be filled in if required. If not, just leave it blank and Optivote will automatically assign the handsets as the students are imported into the database. We'll just close the Excel spreadsheet and go back to Optivote. To import that file into Optivote, we go to the Tools menu and select Import, Class from CSV. You can now browse to find where your CSV file is located, select the CSV file and click on Open. A message will appear to say the students will be added to the database. Would you also like them to be put into a class? Click on the tick to say yes. The class name will automatically be picked up from the file name of your CSV file. If you'd like to change it here. Once you've clicked on the tick, the students from the class list in the CSV file will be imported into Optivote. And here is the class, and you can see that the handset numbers have automatically been associated to the students.